So today's my topic is six basic points of aggregates. So how you change, or you can say how you make formula with six basic points. I'm going to explain these six basic points. So first of all, you should know these six basic points. The first one, if you want to get anything on net, point to be noted, net, then there would be given anything as gross, and from that gross just minus consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital is known as depreciation, and vice versa. If you want to get anything as gross, gr gross है here, gross, from to get gross, net plus depreciation, इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा. Now point number 3, if you want to get anything on factor cost, to get factor cost, there would be given market price minus net indirect tax, and net indirect taxes, or short form for this is NIT. To get net indirect taxes, the formula is indirect taxes minus subsidies. So you can take IT minus S. This is the formula to get net indirect taxes. And vice versa, if you want to get market price, then formula is factor cost plus net indirect taxes. And if you want to get anything on national level, that there would be domestic plus net factor income from abroad. And net factor income from abroad is calculated as factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. So, or you can say received income from rest of the world minus paid income to rest of the world. So whatever you receive from rest of the world and whatever you paid to rest of the world, so received minus paid करना है, वो बनेगा NFIA. And vice versa, to get domestic, national minus NFIA. These are the six basic points. So take the screenshot of this one so that you can have, or you later on study, and plus write down these six basic points in your notebook as in full form. Now I am explaining another point regarding this. So in short, you can say that to get net gross minus depreciation, and to get gross net plus depreciation, to get anything on factor cost, then market price minus net indirect taxes, and to get market price, then factor cost plus net indirect taxes, to get national, then domestic plus net factor income from abroad, and to get domestic, national minus NFIA. These are the six basic points you all must know. These are the six basic points. Now how to use these six basic points, I'm explaining now. Suppose you need to calculate net national product at factor cost, let's say, and there is given gross domestic product at market price. So first of all, just try to concentrate. Look the first letter of both. So First letter here it is given net. Here this is gross. NG. So look at the only the first point NG. NG, and same pattern should be written here in 1 to 6 points. So you will see that from 1 to 6 on the same left hand side I need N, and right hand side I need G. So look, this is N and this is G. It is written on the first point and it indicates that depreciation should be deducted. So here formula is minus depreciation or consumption of fixed capital. Now look at the point number second point. At the second place, N is called national and D is called domestic. So to get domestic to national, now I need left hand side national and right hand side domestic and D. So look from 1 to 6 points where left hand side should be N and right hand side should be D. So left hand side N and right hand side D, it is written at the fifth point. So fifth point indicates I should add NFIA. So this is plus NFIA. Now look at the third point. जो चीजें कॉमन होंगी नेचुरली वो कैंसिल हो जाती हैं. सो लेट्स से पी से पी हमारा कैंसिल हो गया. नाउ एफसी एंड एमपी. So to get FCMP conversion, right hand side again I need factor cost and left hand side I need market price. So from 1 to 6 you can see clearly visible that factor cost here right hand side, market price here on left hand side, factor cost, and right hand side market price, and I need the same pattern. So FCMP minus NIT, so it is minus NIT. So this is the way to convert with the help of 6 basic points of aggregates. Another example I'm taking, suppose net domestic product at market price, and suppose you have gross domestic product at factor cost. Now look the uncommon things in these. So first of all, the uncommon things in this, here N and here G. Look at NG, net gross, and from 1 to 6 you will again see it is written on the first point NG, so minus depreciation. Now you can see here's the DP, here's also DP, so DP se DP cancel ho gaya, it is common. Now MPFC, look MPFC, it is written at the fourth point MP, then FC. It says that you need to plus net indirect taxes. So this is the way to convert the points. So I am giving you some practice to convert all these things. So have a try. So these are the questions for the practice. You can solve these. I'm giving you some time to solve all these things. Plus, make sure that if you are using this at your home, now you can stop the video for a moment and solve these questions with the help. Suppose these are the, I am writing some points name here. These are the 7 indication to convert these things, 7 points to be converted, and plus again I am writing the all these 6 points again. So if you want to get net gross minus depreciation, to get gross, net plus depreciation, for factor cost, market price minus net indirect taxes, for market price, factor cost plus net indirect taxes, for national, domestic plus net factor income from abroad, and for domestic, national minus net factor income from abroad. With the help of these 6 basic points, you can do it by yourself now. So open your notebook and pen. With the help of pen, write down the answers of these questions you have just listened, and stop your screen right now. So I think you have completed now. So Now again, how you have solved? I'm writing the answers for these. Once again, I'm again writing for net gross minus depreciation, for gross net plus depreciation, for factor cost market price minus net indirect taxes, for market price factor cost plus net indirect taxes, for national domestic plus net factor income from abroad, and for domestic national minus net factor income from abroad. These are the 6 basic points. So how you can solve it? Now look at this here. G से G cancel हो गया. Now dn I need left hand side D and right hand side N, and you can see dn, it is here dn, it says minus nfia, so right here minus nfia. Again p se p cancel, mp se mp cancel, so nothing to be do, only the first point is minus nfia. Now the point number 2, look at that here it is at net, this is gross, net gross. Again you can see at the first point net gross, it is minus depreciation, so minus depreciation. And dn domestic national, again minus nfia. Now mp से mp cancel. Okay, so you now g से g तो common है, domestic national, so domestic national minus nfia, and fcmp minus nit. So look at this fcmp, so here fcmp minus nit. So it is very simple to convert, just concentrate on the points and you can also solve it. If you have any problem, pause the screen and watch again. Now net gross, it means net gross minus depreciation, nd plus nfia, and mp same. Now ng minus depreciation, nn same, p same, fcmp minus nit. gn gross net means plus depreciation, dp same, mp plus nit. ng minus depreciation, nd plus nfia, and fcmp minus nit. So these are the 6 points to convert. I think you have also checked your answer right now, and if you have any problem you can ask me in your class. These are the 6 basic points, and so I hope you will be able to understand this topic.